thank you for the 3,000 subscribers. We actually hit the 3,000 subscribers, which is insane. 3,000 people is nuts. Just imagine 3,000 people right now inside your room. That would never fit. 3,000 people, which is an insane number. Now, of course, compared to all the bigger YouTubers that have hundreds of thousands of followers and subscribers, 3,000 is absolutely nothing. But for me, it's a lot. So in comparison, this is 1,000 TNT blocks. So this is 100 by 100. So this is 1,000 TNT blocks. And this is 3,000 TNT blocks, all next to each other. So 100 by 300 blocks. And you know exactly what we are going to do. But that will be at the end of the video. So first of all, I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, thank you for everybody that is actually supporting me. It's incredible that 3,000 people decided to watch my videos, decided to check out my channel, and then also decided to actually subscribe, and which is just incredible. I'm so incredibly happy. So to me, 3,000 people is absolutely a lot, especially for a small channel like mine. So for everybody that's watching this video and that has checked out my channel, thank you all so incredibly much. Of course, 3,000 people is not the end, and I am actually working towards 5,000, as you can see on the banner of my channel. So let's work together and get to those milestones as well. Now, of course, it has been a while that you have heard from me. I haven't really made any videos in these past weeks because actually I have been very busy with normal life. Also, I took a little bit of a break. And also because we actually were close to 3,000, which we have now reached. But of course, not only that, I have also been working on some new projects, and this is one of them. So I will not show too much because the video is still in the making, but yes, I'm still making some progress and making some cool new projects. So that's what I've been doing as well. And maybe this is also a good time to say that if this is the first video you watch of my channel, then go check out the other videos, because you don't want to miss out on all the new projects that are coming up. Anyway, let's talk a little bit about the channel itself and what the future will hold. I have placed a poll on the community tab where I asked you what you want to see me making, whether it's like modded Minecraft or tutorials like this, like the Victorian style, or something completely else, or maybe you want to see me do a let's play or whatever. So if you haven't voted, you can do it right there on the community tab. Anyway, most people still want to see Victorian builds and some tutorials, so that's what I will stick with. And of course, all the other things will also come once in a while. So I'm very happy how this channel turned out, and I'm very happy that most of you actually like this the building style that I have. Because, well, everybody has their own style, and I'm very happy that many of you really love all my buildings. So again, thank you so much for all the nice comments. And now I'm in the world of the embankment, which is a series that I have started on my channel a while ago, but I haven't really made any new episodes because not a lot of people actually watch those videos. So also, if you want to see more of the embankment, then let me know, because actually this whole series is made to make your ideas in this single world. So if you have cool ideas for this amazing world, then let me know, and maybe I will create your ideas in this cool world, and we basically make one community world where all of your ideas will be bundled together in one nice place. And this is a head start that I created, some kind of a harbor, and well, I think I will continue with the series. So if you guys have cool suggestions for this world and you want to see more of the embankment, then also please let me know. So yet again, thank you so much for all the amazing comments, all the amazing support, actually watching my videos, and actually consider to subscribe. So absolutely thank you to all of you that are watching my videos, because you all changed my life. If the channel keeps growing like this, there will be one day that I can fully work on my channel only and just make cool Minecraft videos and do this for many years to come. So anyway, thank you so much, and I think it's time to lit those 3,000 TNT blocks right behind me and see what destruction that gives. Let's hope that my computer can actually handle it. So there we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's see if, if my computer will break. My computer hold it surprisingly well, even with shaders. This is insane. I'm working with like 2 or 3 frames. It keeps going. And there we go. 3,000 TNT blocks. That's insane. Let's see what it did. 3,000 blocks. Look at this. What a absolute carnage. This huge jungle is now completely obliterated. Completely gone. Luckily the wolf actually survived it. Anyway, that was 3,000 blocks of TNT. So again, thank you so much for watching my channel. Let's work together and get to those 5,000 subscribers. Anyway, thank you so much. Sorry for this short video, and new projects will come soon. So anyway, thank you all again so incredibly much for this journey, and I see you guys in the next video.